To change the engine oil on your Outlaw 50, follow these steps. Position the vehicle on a level surface in a well-ventilated area. Lock the parking brake. Start the engine and allow it to warm up at idle for 2 to 3 minutes. Stop the engine. Clean the area around the engine oil dipstick. Remove the dipstick and set aside. Clean the area around the drain plug. Place a drain pan under the crankcase. Tip: place a rag in the bottom of the drain pan to prevent the splashing of oil. Remove the drain plug, spring, and pre-filter screen and allow the oil to drain completely. Caution: hot oil can cause burns to skin. Do not allow hot oil to contact skin. Clean any debris from the pre-filter screen and allow it to air dry. Inspect the O-ring on the drain plug and replace if necessary. Reassemble the drain plug, O-ring, spring, and pre-filter and install into the crankcase. Torque to specification. Clean any residual oil that may have collected on the vehicle. Add the proper amount of recommended oil. Reinstall the dipstick and clean any residual oil that may have spilled. Start the engine and allow it to idle for 1 to 2 minutes. Stop the engine and inspect for leaks. Check the oil level and add oil as needed to bring the level to the upper mark on the dipstick. Dispose of the used filter and oil properly. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.